Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming every Lifepo4 cell is at the same voltage, because imbalance makes later steps risky. Once done, wear gloves and eye protection, use a quality voltmeter and insulated tools. Next, lay out cells with terminals aligned, counting how many you need to reach target pack voltage. Make the first series link. Connect the negative terminal of cell A to the positive terminal of cell B using a short, rated busbar. This reduces stray resistance and prepares the pack for the core assembly. You now continue assembling the main string, connecting each subsequent negative to positive terminal. Make sure you tighten bus bars to the specified torque. A loose or over-torqued joint creates heat or damage. After every 2 or 3 connections, measure the cumulative pack voltage to catch wiring errors early. Also, use equal-length leads and consistent gauge so cells share current evenly. Once the full series is assembled, double-check terminal orientation and label the pack positive and negative for clarity before moving to monitoring and protection. You finish by attaching a correctly rated battery management system to monitor cell voltages, balance cells, and provide overcurrent protection. Make sure the BMS negative and pack negative reference are correct, then secure cells in a non-conductive tray with padding to prevent movement. Once installed, apply a light controlled load and watch individual cell voltages and temperatures for any imbalance or hot spot. If a cell drifts more than 0.05 V, isolate it and rebalance or replace the cell. This is the key troubleshooting step to prevent failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.